And it's the very lovely Stefan and Melly from Happy Camping.
Action!
Hello and welcome back to Caravan Salon Düsseldorf 2021. Now over the summer, some of you may remember I featured quite a few caravans, small, simple, compact caravans, and a few people said, where's the Adria Action? So today I've come to put that right. We've come to look at a slightly new incarnation of the Adria Action. This is the 391LH. This is slightly longer than the Action we have in the UK, but what they've done onto this one is they've basically beefed it up. And this is the Action Sport. And to show us around is none other than the woman behind this, the very lovely Erna Pov from Adria Mobile. Hello Erna.
Hello, hello.
Now you are head of your product manager?
I'm product manager for caravans in Adria, and with my function I manage the design process of the new products.
Excellent. So can you tell us a little bit more about the Action Sport?
Well, Action is already a caravan for very active people and people who like to have iconic design of the product. It's on a compact dimension. You have all the comfort in the caravan, but there are also, you know, so many users who want to have it a little bit more sporty. So we brought the Action, which is already a dynamic caravan, on a higher semi-off-road chassis with the 16-inch wheels, really nice alloy design, alloy wheels, Bigfoot, supporting legs, and the sporty graphic design.
Is the chassis any different, or is it mostly cosmetic?
Yeah, it is higher. It is higher and more durable, and with the higher wheels you really can drive off-road.
Fantastic. This is brilliant. Can we have a quick look inside?
Yeah, sure. Come on in.
So, there are a lot of people, Erna, who say that the designers never use the caravans.
Oh, that's a pity, you know. You cannot design something if you don't have your own experience.
So I know you go away every year in an Adria caravan.
Yeah, I do.
And who are your biggest critics?
What do you think? My kids.
Your kids?
Yeah, sure. We do like the caravanning lifestyle, and it's nice when you design something and you don't have this concrete feedback of the usability. Of course, kids do it all around, and they're the really good input to the details that we design around.
Yeah,
for sure.
Excellent. Although this is a 2-berth, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a 2-berth up to 3 because it's a very easy setup. You just put the table down and put the flex to this side, and with all these cushions you make a really nice comfortable surface for 3 people really comfortably.
Well, just looking behind you as well, that's a huge fridge, isn't it?
Yeah, so this caravan enables, however short it is, it's less than 4-meter body, it enables really comfortable sleeping for 3, seating for up to 6 people, so if friends come around, you can have a party. It enables also a lot of storage, additional storage, and 140-liter fridge, so really space enough for all the necessities you bring along. And this is a magnet wall, so you can stick your memories on the wall immediately already. And some intuitive storage is here behind. And of course it has the compact kitchen with full functionality and storage. So the 3-burner sink and also some storage space around. You know, really space for all necessary. And a compact toilet, including the shower and the wash basin. So you can really be independent also somewhere off-road for a while.
This is great. I love it. Is this coming to the UK, do you know, or we just have the regular Action?
Currently we have a very similar Action layout, a little bit shorter, even more compact one.
Yeah.
But as we see a lot of demand in the UK market, another layout is getting ready to come also to UK market.
Super. Erna, that is absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much for taking the time to show us the action, and I wish you every success.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, bye.
Okay, so there you have the lovely Adria Action Sport. This is going through the tills here at the show at €20,725. The unladen weight of this caravan is 1,090 kilos, and the MTPLM is 1,300 kilos. So despite the rugged chassis, your payload is still a modest but more than adequate 210 kilos. And as you can imagine, with a MRO of 1,090 kilos, it's not exactly super light in weight. However, like I say, this is larger than the current Adria Action we have in the UK. We do have a new Action joining us in the UK soon, which is going to be a 4-berth with a drop-down bed. So that's very exciting. I'll leave links to the Adria website in the description below, to the international website, and then you go onto that, click on the icon in the top right that takes you to your country, and that will show you what Adrias are available in your country. So I hope you enjoyed that video, folks. A huge thank you to the lovely Erna Pov for showing us around. If you did enjoy this, you know what to do. Please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you don't already. It just leaves me to say, from Dougal and from me, thanks for tuning in. There. Did you like that one, Dougal? Did you get excited about that one? You excited? Excited? He never smiles.